about sustainable development. I repeat, it is sustainable development. First, look to your right, you have your past. Look to your left, you have your future. But where will you look your present? At the front or at the back? No, it is at here, because you are all standing at crossroad. I repeat, you are all standing at crossroad, because this is the place which we are standing on the earth at this time. So you all never determine the position you stand on this world, because you are all in an economical generation. Though AI has now come, and though we all know about the Gen Z thing, we are all only into the economical thing. So Gabriel Akera has told a poem, Once Upon a Time. So this is a poem by Gabriel Akera. He told, every time he doesn't look the thinking or the good nature of human. We all only check others' pockets. And due to that situation, today we are standing at a crossroad, and only our choice at this moment will determine the future of our planet. So sustainable development is not just a topic of discussion today. It is an immediate call. So when we talk about sustainable development, we all come over about the depletion of our earth, of the climate changes which occur in our earth, and use of renewable resources, and so on. And all these challenges are considered as a negative aspect. You all consider this as a negative aspect, but I consider this as a positive aspect. You know why? Only all these challenges pave way for innovations. So this is the thing that you have to see the best in everything. Though all these are challenges, this can lead to an exciting feature called innovations. So you have so many innovations, like you have smart farming, and you have ocean into fashion. That is, Adidas, right? They all create clothes, and this is ocean into fashion, and you have so many things. But the very first question is that, I asked to the ZA Foundation, like, when you do all these things, there is a group of people who ask, what is the cheaper way? Am I right, sir? They always concern about the money, but this question is not right. The correct question is, what is the more responsible way? And this question doesn't seem to be answered by so many people. So they just often go with, what is a more cheaper way? I want a cheaper way. I want a cheaper way, so that I would follow the sustainable things all. For this question, so I could say that the question can be changed only when you have a proper education. Malala has once said, one pen, one paper, and one teacher can change the whole world. And when this has been told to the people, they could have, at the younger age itself, they could have known about the sustainable development earlier, right? Oof, I'm nervous now. So let me go on with the story. There was a girl called Asha, and she was living in an area covered with 30 to 40 trees and so on. And one fine day, when she was talking with the trees over there was a fire, and she doesn't know what to do. She startled over there, and she was really not able to know what could be the solution to put off the fire. She started taking a pot of water and throwing it to put off the fire. But all the people over there laughed at her. They didn't help her. They just laughed at her and asked, what can this one pot of water do to the fire over there? And she was really sad. She told them that if every one of you would have put your hands, this fire can be put it off. But they didn't do it. So she was not even a scientist. She was not a very well-known girl, or she was not very rich to call somebody else, or she wasn't even a fire extinguisher to extinguish the fire over there. So she took the term called education in her. So the education which she has learned has paved way for a better innovation. So I could take the girl to be me. Now let me take a real life problem. Let it be about the same thing, that is the forest. I can use my education, that is about the knowledge of AI, and I can now bring a new innovation. That is today's guidelines, right? We have to bring out a good innovative for a real-time problem. And for this problem, I am choosing AI. So AI can map things using sensors. So I am creating sensors that can, so I am in sense in the place of Asha, I could create sensors that would know the soil's condition so that it would only provide the list of native species that can be grown in the particular soil condition, because every soil condition couldn't pave way for every type of plant. And it is not just to be stopped with what type of plant we have to grow for the soil condition. The next thing is about the planting. Let us all term this to be forest rewilding with the help of AI. When we come into forest rewilding with the help of AI, what we can do is we can create drones. Drones that could plant seeds with the help of its technological features, even in slopes where people cannot sow seeds using their traditional methods. And the third thing, is it only enough to know the native species and plant it over there? No, that is not enough. We have to nurture them. So for this, I am using the technology called monitoring. AI monitoring would help here and monitor the trees. So in place of Asha, I would do it everywhere, and so that Asha would be a happier one. So from this, I would like to say, Einstein has already told, not the same method could be followed every time for everything. There has to be a different method, and that's why we have chosen AI here. And you may all have a question, like, for example, if technology is not there, many people, even today, I am a literature student, and my fiction teacher told me today that you might have a World War III, and America is going to be like that. Biden has created things like this. Trump wouldn't be able to rule the country. America would become like this, and the UN wouldn't be supporting anything, and everything would become a republic over there. And at this situation, when we don't have technology, what would we do? We would go on with the other sustainable things which we all know. For example, when there is no technology, when we can take the sunlight through the CDs and make light over it. We can grow plants in a sustainable way and live accordingly to it. So not only with the AI, we have some other things. For ocean, I could take now ocean into fashion. You know that all the all the waste things from the ocean are converted into clothes by Adidas, Parley, and so on. But do you think that man can do it? No, we don't think that man can do it, and we all go with the technology even at that time. It is not easy for the mankind, but I could say Earth is the only thing that we all have in common. You can say, I am a girl and you are a girl, or I am a boy and you are a boy. No, not like that. I am a girl with different characteristics and you are a girl with different characteristics. Maybe I am a boy with different characteristics and you are a boy with different characteristics. But Earth is the only thing which is common to every one of us. And for this Earth to be with us, and for our future generations and our present generations to perform in a very good way, we must go with sustainable development with proper innovations. Thank you.